What's up, everybody? This is Jeff Bernard with Solve Systems, and today we're going to learn something really cool. This is a series for Heartland POS system. So this is a POS system, point of sale system, that can be run at restaurants, in retail stores, and all kind of different setups and locations. And it's really neat, actually. A request came across to build a Power BI dashboard, and I was like, okay, let's look at the API. Have a really good API, and they have a really cool platform. So we'll be going over all the API endpoints to give you a little deeper dive into what's available, and it might spur your development. So let's get to it. Jumping right in, we can see the API Swagger documents. This is really good that Heartland has decided to make this available, because not all API developers have great Swagger documentation, and it makes it a pain to import into Postman or whatever your API software is, right? So you'll open this up, and we can see this is the entire definition for the API. So from there, you can import this into Postman, and the way to do that is you press import here, and then you paste that Swagger document URL into Postman, and this will bring it into this nice, neat file structure. So you'll see everything is here, and in the subsequent videos in this series, we'll go through sort of how to interact with the API and what each of the endpoints do. So let's go. So on the front end, we have house accounts, right? So it's under custom tender, and then house accounts custom tender as well. And then we can see we have a house account here, and allows the tender to be charged. And we can set all of these details right here. And this sort of divides up your restaurant between different accounts. And so in the API, it's effectively the same thing. The folder structure is house accounts. The setup house accounts is a get request. And then we make that Boolean showDeleted true. We can set this to false, unless we, for some reason, needed to see deleted accounts. And we can see that it returns an object with the ID of that object, the house account, and then the deleted status if it's false. So very straightforward, pretty simple.